So hello my dear friends, I hope you all are doing very good. In this video we are going to talk mainly about HCU, that is Hyderabad Central University, or UH, University of Hyderabad, CUET PG admission, all details, stepwise admission details, stepwise hostel allotment and fee payment, each and everything. Today's video will be very important, so please watch till end. Kab aayega date, what will be the last date, what will be the first date, when to apply, how to apply, where to keep checking, each and everything I will be telling you detail. If you are new, just subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any kind of notification, and there will be a Telegram link, you can just join there, given below. This is the official page of University of Hyderabad, and it is written, if you see the green line, online application for PG program will be live soon. इसका मतलब है कुछ देर में प्रोग्राम का जो है PG प्रोग्राम का एप्लीकेशन लाइव हो जाएगा, जो कि आपको मेन पेज पे दिखने लगेगा. एंड हाउ to know that, so don't worry, you just subscribe. I will definitely upload either video or on my telegram channel. मैं telegram channel पे लिंक दे दूंगा, नीचे telegram channel होगा, उस लिंक पे आप क्लिक करेंगे and you can get connected with us. Now let us talk कि क्या स्टेप होते हैं, क्या डेट होंगे. देखिए, minimum 8 to 10 days they will give you to apply for the PG. Okay, and after that, after applying, fee is very less, almost 300 rupees for general category, for other category 100 or 200. It's very less as compared to other university. तो सबसे पहले आपको अप्लाई करना है. whatever you marks you got, please don't comment कि sir this marks I got, this marks I got. No, whatever marks you got, I think in any category, any subject, if your score is above 100, you must apply. Either you get or not. If you don't apply, you have no chance. But if you apply, you have little chance here. So you should apply that. And after that merit list will be released within a week. Yes, ठीक है. In between, I must tell you कि people who are looking for CUET PG Economics 2024 course, you can join. Download the app link is given below in the description. And UGC NET JRF class has been also started for the economics, so both courses are very affordable. You can join, you can watch free lectures there on the app, and you can check whether you should join or not. Okay, now let's move to the next. फिर उसके बाद जब मेरिट लिस्ट आएगी, देन यू विल बी कॉल्ड फॉर द काउंसलिंग, दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ एडमिशन. देयर इफ देर आर 50 स्टूडेंट्स, दे विल कॉल एटलीस्ट 100 स्टूडेंट्स, सो दैट कि मोर पीपल कैन कम हियर. बिकॉज क्या होता है, 50 सीट निकाले और 20 ही लोग आएँ, इट हैपेंस. सो यूजुअली दे प्रोवाइड्स 2 to 3 times of name, and then you come take admission on the same day. Your hostel will be allotted, and after 1 week your class will be started. So all details was there, each and every detail. अभी नोटिस नहीं आई, जैसे ही नोटिस आ जाएगी, 1 से 2 दिन में नोटिस आ जाएगी. बाय मंडे और ट्यूजडे आई विल डेफिनेटली upload on my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. Please share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Take care guys. See you soon.